is there a renewed push in the frontier state for a law on monogamy? Will the attempts yield results this time, or will it buckle under pressure once again? Well, Emily Toko Tatung from Yachuli constituency has urged the House to bring in a law on monogamy during the ongoing assembly session. While speaking to the media, Emily Tatung stated that with due consultation, the assembly can implement a law on maintaining monogamy. He stated that a happy household will lead to a prosperous state. Well, Emily Tatung also referred to the monogamy bill, which Emily Ninong Ering tried to table during the previous government. Well, notably, Emily Ninong Ering had tried to table a private member's bill for the introduction of the Arunachal Pradesh Monogamy Election Eligibility Bill 2023. However, as per reports, MLA Ering was pressured to withdraw the private member's bill as it would become a major embarrassment for many sitting legislators and aspiring candidates. It may be mentioned that in the run-up to the assembly elections in Arunachal last year, there was also a push from a prominent women's group to bar candidates with more than one spouse from contesting the polls. Well, the Arunachal Pradesh Women's Welfare Society had also sought Chief Minister Pema Khandu's support to introduce a bill banning polygamous candidates from polls. Practice of polygamy can be seen in certain parts of the frontier state, usually by the financially, socially and politically powerful.
घर को जो संवारता है वो औरत है, जो घर को संवारता है वही स्टेट को भी संवारेगा। अगर घर का औरत खुश नहीं होगा तो घर सुख समृद्धि उस पर नहीं मिलेगा। अगर औरत और घर खुश नहीं होंगे तो आपका राज्य भी खुश नहीं होंगे। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर हाँ विद ड्यू कंसल्टेशन अगर एक ऐसा लेजिस्लेशन जो हमारे निनोंग एरिंग साहब एक बार लाए थे उसका क्या हुआ मुझे पता नहीं कि हर एक जन अगर इफ़ यू मेंटेन मोनोगमी पॉलीगमी को छोड़ के मोनोगमी रहेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि घर पे भी शांत रहेगा, आपका डोमेस्टिक अफेयर जो है वो भी अच्छा रहेगा। अब घर खुश होगा तो वैसे ही मेरा मानना है कि आपका औरत खुश होगा, आपका बहन खुश होगा, माँ खुश होगा तो स्टेट में भी खुशहाली आएगा। इसीलिए मैंने ये सजेशन किया था बाकी सरकार की।